Mourinho and Oga Lampard, una welcome.
Thank you, Kobala.
Thank you, my boy.
Oga Mourinho.
Wait first. Lampard, shey you never still find work.
My brother, I don't try. No show.
I shall not to blame the clubs. If na me sef get club, I go rather go bankrupt than to hire you.
Where did that one come in now?
No take am the wrong way oh. Now just say me I know they like throw away money like that.
Thunder fire your ancestors.
As you don't decide to insult me, job when I be one fine give you, I know they give again.
No give me. It no go pass one of those your nonsense degrading job offers. Kubala, start your thing, Joe.
Okay, sir. For Champions League, Chelsea wey be say we expect make them knack comot, don qualify reach quarterfinals. Meanwhile, Tottenham don once again prove to us say them dey allergic to progress. Oga Lampard, you been expect the results?
Of course, nah. I been sure say Chelsea go qualify. The one way.
Momones no good though.
Waiting they worry this one.
Shebi na because Apple guy no play, you dey talk all this one.
Are they me play or no play? Them for stay comot.
You don't see where them they wrap a whole team with Apple swallow am.
For your dream nah.
You never get experience nah. You be very young, naive, unsuccessful, relegation addicted coach. You never see anything for this life.
Me? Relegation addicted? Olori
Buruku there too. Tottenham self been get more chance to qualify. Now just this their chronic allergy to trophy help Milan.
I no blame you.
Oga Mourinho, as Chelsea don reach quarterfinals, them get any chance to reach semi-finals?
No nah. How them want take do am? No be this same Tottenham wey knack Bulala comot for Chelsea but the Milan just comot. And Milan na the weakest team for Champions League now except for Chelsea.
There. Shebi na this same Milan Chelsea knock for group stage.
Na when Toko vibes still there nah.
Come out for here, Joe. Yeah, Olodoness done too much.
You know wetin? If Chelsea reach semi-finals pa, I go strip waka the whole of London.
Just wetin you fit do, Joe.
See this one. I say I go strip waka the whole of London. Who dey fear make Chelsea win match? Them no fit.
As you no value your nakedness, no problem.
Make we touch Premier League. All of us don see say Arsenal don dey show this kind resilience wey title winners dey show. Oga Lampard, how possible you feel say that reality dey?
The reality of Arsenal to win EPL never clear for my eye, yo. Now just say.
No get foresight nah. No be so everybody been dey underestimate Leicester City that year until them carry am.
But
waiting.
Arsenal own go different.
Different from waiting. No be town hall Arsenal they go.
Oh my
that
God.
Arteta get ambition and he can't get execution. Although his method dey questionable, sha.
I know but do wetin you dey talk. I go there where I dey.
Who say make you come join me? As you no get job, your opinion and my opinion na mate. Carry your featherweight opinion come off for here, Joe. The job when I been one give you self na ball boy. But as you be man, you know they qualified for that one. You no even dey qualify self to watch ball.
I swear, you no go die well, idiot.